Oh, I don't know why, but every time I start a stream, I gotta do that. Gotta rub the eyes. What is up, YouTube? Give it a few minutes, see if anyone wants to hop in here and watch me ramble for about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. It's gonna be a quick one. There's things I'm looking at here. We are bouncing, that is for sure. And it's playing out just as it should, in my opinion. So, let me open up the chat here. Okay. Oh, Kyle's live. Kyle was live. Is there a way I can paste this? Whatever. I don't really care. I'm gonna pop it and say hi to Kyle quick. Hold on. Let's say hi, Kyle. Hi, Kyle. Hi, Kyle.
Hi, friend. You can see that we swept the low from October 10th crash, and that for a lot of people is a big deal because of market structure reasons. Like, not everything's gonna be internal now, right? After we grab this low, or before we grab this low, all of this was like internal price action on the daily, and people hate that. And it's tough to like manage, because a lot of people like depend on like what's going on in the external to dictate their entries and stuff like that. But we did get, at least on the buy
Mute him.
an SFP off this.
Throw him a like.
Not all exchanges gave us an SFP. Some exchanges gave us a break of structure because we closed below the wick on some exchanges. So I know Bybit's a good one to trust. They have lots of liquidity.
Okay, that's good. Good.
So I'm going the mindset that we have the SFP and looking at the lower time frame structure.
Why? I can't say Joe. Whatever. All right, let's start. That was a waste of time, but that's okay. I'm long on Cardano right now, so I'm looking at it quick. Better go up. Knuckle sandwich. All right, let's take a peek at the biddies. So let's start at the weekly. Let's just start at the weekly, work our way down. So basically, I don't know if I'm convinced that the bull market's done or not, because there's a lot of things pointing that it should be done, or it could be done. Not should be, could be. A lot of things are structuring in the way that there's a top. For instance, even though we have an SFP here, you know, we haven't done that since way back here, and we had a pisser of of a move up, even with the bearish divergence. So that's the only thing that's keeping me a little optimistic here. But if you go to the 2 week, we don't have any of that, right? So my thought process is, even though we cooled off a little bit, we haven't cooled off enough. We haven't cooled off enough. Dropping our way down. We got. Where did that go? Oof! Don't do that to me. Hold on. Born free. Okay. Beautiful. We got double top, SFP low, SFP high, SFP low, or SFP in that low. It just doesn't look very strong, right? It looks like we're losing steam here, right? It just looks like we're losing steam. So with that being said, we're gonna have to see how this SFP plays out, right? Are we coming for the top here? Are we coming back up to here? Are we coming up to here? Are we coming up to here and then coming down? Or are we about to blast off? We came down. We grabbed this guy. It's a good look, right? It's a good place to bounce from. I would have loved this, considering this wasn't mitigated and this mitigated all this. I would have loved an SFP of this into the zone. We didn't get it, so even if we do come up, I'm going to be looking for shorts here and up here for sure. No way around it. No way around it. I have no choice. I don't make the rules. I do make my rules, but that's okay. Right, we're bearish, right? And even though we SFP'd, we're still technically bearish. But this is a location for a bounce. So how am I looking at this? I'm looking at this as a potential long situation. Now, I'm not saying we're not going to come down, SFP this SFP, and then bounce. I'm not saying we're not going to not do any of that and just fucking dump. But we came down, all right, we broke this structure, and then we had a 15-minute flip. Do we have a 24-minute flip? No, I don't like it. We have a 15-minute flip, right? Here we go. And with that, I can't help but wonder if we are going to grab this liquidity, right? And then if we have a good close above this, maybe come back down and come up and then grab this liquidity. I don't think this is in play right now, not just yet. I don't think we're coming for this high just yet. We have to break this golden pocket. We have to break the 4-hour, the 1-day order block. It's going to be huge resistance. It's going to be huge. And to anybody who thinks, if we didn't go lower after this lick wick here, this freaking big old liquidity sweep and dump and whatever you want to call it, black swan, I want to say you're wrong. I just want to let you know, humbly, nicely, as nicely as I can, you are absolutely wrong. This is still crypto. And if this didn't show you that we can go lower, I think you're personally looking at it wrong. Because there's a lot of people that think 100K is the floor. And yeah, we're bouncing at 100K. It's a great level to bounce from. It's a daily order block, right? It's in line with our weekly upward trend line, the green Jimmy John here. But we're going to go lower than that. When it's time, I do think we're going to go lower than that. I think we're coming downwards of 70 to 48. I think that's going to be somewhere in the low, if we have the bear now. But, let's not get ahead of ourselves. But we can definitely go lower. So don't start hedging and taking trades and assume that this has to be the bottom. No. These ETFs don't mean shit. All right? They may turn a potential 80-90% correction into a 50-60, 40-50-60, but we could see it. Just think about it, right? What did we just see? It's only 15%, 17%, guys. And then we everybody lost money, then those who made money, and then we're accumulating some more, and then now we took that low. It's gonna do what it does, but don't think that it has to go one way or another. All right, let's go up to the hourly. I mean, we could bounce here. Very well could bounce here. Yeah, with that 15-minute, guys, I really do think, right? And granted, where we're rejecting now, it's a 15-minute structural point. I'll just pull from here. It doesn't matter where the fuck I pull from. It's gonna all read the same. Maybe, maybe not. It's close or not. Doesn't matter. I don't really care about up there too much. I don't really care. I'm just gonna do this, right? Because the moral of the story is, this is structure, right? Yes, we have some structure here. We may have a little structure pull here, but this is it, right? So until we break this high, we're gonna come up and we're gonna reject, right? So we have to break this high to go higher. And if we do break it, then we have, like this is unmitigated to me. This is gonna be some sort of supply in something. If we do break it, come up, we'll come back down, then we'll go back up. Right? Know the motions. Know the motions. Doesn't have to do that. It's just probable. It's just how it's been moving lately. My wife doesn't. Every time I come live on YouTube, my wife's got to ask me to do something. But yeah, right. Go to the hourly, right? Even the hourly may look at it better for you. Like, look at this. I don't care because it mitigated it. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. This is my hourly structure, plus or minus. I mean, we had a lot of upside that we could potentially have. I don't know why Cardano's being a little right now. I just needs to just go. No reason to hesitate now. I don't care about this pull. I want you up here. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. That's really it. We come down double bottom. I'll look along it again, unless the oscillator and everything else are still saying lower, which it could, right? Look at like the 3-day, the 2-day, the 1-day. It's not, doesn't look done, right? Obviously, it changes before that says it's done, but you still got to take everything with a grain of salt. Yeah, give me like a. Oh, he did get it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't fucking like Bitcoin lately. Bitcoin's been a pain in the ass. That's all I can say. There's been things that look better, I'll put it that way. Things have been behaving and playing better. That's all I could say. So why not play those? You know, like, unless money's your bottleneck, why would you even be trading Bitcoin right now? In my opinion, it sucks. Everything else that I'm looking at, like these four, they're behaving. And the R&R is better. So, I'm trying to find something for you here because these are tough low time frame looks, right? Oh shit. Wife's home with the kid.
Right?
Yeah, babe.
Throw in chicken nuggets right now. I texted you twice.
As you can see, my wife's home, so I gotta go.
I know. She's just falling.